This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mitsubishi Mirage brake light. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb, typically a P21/5W or 1157 type, along with a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. Begin by opening your car's trunk or hatchback. Next, find the two screws holding the tail light assembly in place and carefully remove them using your screwdriver. This prepares the assembly for removal. With the screws removed, use your plastic pry tool to gently release the clips that secure the tail light assembly. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the clips are disengaged, carefully slide the entire tail light assembly straight away from the car's body. Now, you can clearly see the bulb sockets. Locate the brake light socket, which is typically positioned towards the outer edge of the housing. Now it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the brake light bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out from the tail light assembly. To remove the old bulb, push it gently into the socket, twist it 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and then pull it free. When installing the new bulb, ensure you wear gloves to prevent oils from your skin from affecting its lifespan. Push the new P21/5W or 1157 bulb into the socket and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise until it is firmly seated. To finish, reinsert the bulb socket back into the tail light housing, twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it securely in place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting clips and push it firmly back onto the vehicle's body. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier, turning them clockwise until they are snug. Finally, have a helper press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly, ensuring your vehicle is safe for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.